In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable two-step verification in Amazon. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your Amazon account, then this is the perfect guide for you. By the end, you'll have a more secure account, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to access your Amazon account. Start by hovering over the Account and Lists option located at the top right of your screen. This is where you'll find all the main settings and options for your account management. Once you're there, click on the account link. This action takes you to a page filled with various account management options. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're just focusing on one specific area today. Once you're on the account page, you'll want to locate the Login and Security tile. This is where you can manage everything from your password to your email address associated with the account. Click on this tile to open up a new set of options specifically related to your login credentials and security settings. Now that you're in the Login and Security section, it's time to find the two-step verification setting. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Two-Step Verification, 2SV. This setting is crucial for enhancing your account security. Two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, adds an extra step to your login process, ensuring that even if someone has your password, they'll need another code, usually sent to your phone, to access your account. Once you've found the two-step verification, 2SV section, you'll see an option to turn on. Click this button to begin the process of setting up your two-step verification. Amazon will guide you through the steps necessary to link your phone number or authenticator app, which will be used to send you verification codes. Be sure to follow each prompt carefully. This might involve entering your phone number or scanning a QR code with an authenticator app. After you've completed the setup, Amazon will usually send a test code to ensure everything is working correctly. Make sure you receive this code and enter it as prompted to confirm that two-step verification is set up correctly. This test step is essential because it ensures that when you log in the future, you'll receive the necessary codes to access your account. Remember, two-step verification significantly enhances your account security, but it's only effective if you keep your contact information up to date. If you ever change your phone number or lose access to your authenticator app, be sure to update your Amazon account settings accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on your Amazon account. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly protect your personal information and purchases. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and remember to stay secure online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day